Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, ACCUPLACER Review, Elementary Algebra, Problem 47. This is the Elementary Algebra ACCUPLACER Review, Problem 47. What we have is 2a plus x in parentheses, and the parentheses are raised to the second power. So what you have is that set of parentheses times itself. So you have 2a plus x in parentheses times 2a plus x again in parentheses. So now what you have to do is multiply every piece in the first parentheses times every piece in the second set of parentheses and combine what you can. So as we start this process, I'm going to do 2a times 2a is 4a to the second. And then 2a times x will be 2ax. So when you have two variables, the conventional way to do it is put them in alphabetical order. 2ax it's the same as 2xa, but typically alphabetically is how it's done. So now I'm going to do x times 2a, which will be 2ax again. Again, I'm going alphabetically. It could be 2xa. It's the same thing. And then finally, I finish with x times x will be x to the second power. Again, everything comes out positive if I'm looking at my signs. There are no negatives here. But I do have to combine the two middle terms. The first term, 4a squared, there are no other a squares, so 4a squared will be part of my answer. But I have 2ax, and I have 2ax again. So not only the variables, but their exponents match perfectly. I can combine the numbers in front, 2 and another 2, both positive. I will have positive 4ax, and that takes care of my middle pieces. What's left on the end is an x squared. Now I have an answer of 4a squared plus 4ax plus x squared. And if I look at my possible answers, I have, notice option A and option C are very similar. In option A, I have 2ax in the middle. Option C, 4ax in the middle. Don't go too fast. Pay attention. The one that matches is option C. 4a squared plus 4ax plus x squared. So the answer is C.